This literature kit on Among the Hidden by Margaret Peterson Haddix aligns perfectly with the novel and is a great source to gauge what students are comprehending. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Predict whether Luke will stay hidden after the woods are cut down, based on what you know of him so far. Detail the difference between Luke's bread and his mother's. Identify statements about Jen's life as either true or false. Write a journal entry from Jen's point of view, detailing her preparations for the rally. Match the synonyms to key vocabulary words found in the novel. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as performing a tableau of your favorite scene from story. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create a coat of arms detailing one theme from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.